cocktail at the Boston Agency Cocktail and Clambake. We have just taken off and we've spent the last 2 hours pairing the Boston cocktail and the Ward cocktail with different seafood dishes, different bites. We had an open bar, we had an open buffet, and we had lots of games for people to win a trip or two to Bermuda or 5K ad spend. Marketers to come to this event, marketing agencies, and really understand the value of programmatic. We feel that this channel is completely underserved in the market. So this whole event is about pairing, right? So we want marketing agencies to pair programmatic with PPC, pair programmatic with SEO, and we have a whole rubric inside for exactly how those channels work together. But even agencies who are already embracing programmatic typically don't get the results they want. And so we want them to leave this event and understand how awesome programmatic is, especially when it's paired up with another channel. Runs these pairing parties every time that we enter a new city. We are present across the US, but definitely much more active in certain markets than others. So we entered Boston tonight with a really, really big party celebrating Boston's marketing agencies to welcome them to Clever Programmatic and to welcome us to their communities.